My name is Sunshine Briones. I am 21 years old and I'm currently enrolled at the Mountain Province State Polytechnic College, Tajan campus. I am happy to be a part of the storytelling competition for this 89th National Book Week with the theme Read, Reread, Relive. Before I will proceed, I acknowledge that this presentation is a product of a team and that my role is to present. As a team, we therefore acknowledge that the pictures used in this presentation are not ours. We downloaded them from online sources. We also acknowledge that this is a true-to-life story, but we use pseudonyms to hide the identities of people involved. The story I'm going to present is titled Reading Makes You Genius. Who is a genius, by the way? A genius is a person exceptionally intelligent. Take note of the keyword exceptionally intelligent. Wow! I would love to be a genius. How about you? Do you want to become one? Then sit back, relax, and listen to my story. There is this bachelor who always have something to say during meetings, so others name him genius. He can be a pro or anti in every issue. Sometimes he's being misjudged as a war freak because he reacts so quickly in either face-to-face conversation or group chat discussion. One time, in a group chat discussion, there was this member, let's just call her Marites, who raised an issue concerning this so-called genius. At first, the discussion involved other members of the GC. However, as it went on, it became a very hot discussion. If I were to compare it into sport, it was there in the boxing ring where Marites boxed the genius, and the genius gave back the blow, then boog, boog, boog. And then boog, 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 boog. Sounds the punches like that of Fernando Po Jr. And still, the winning of the discussion is the genius. Poor Marites. I guess she never saw it coming. Then, after that, the other members of the GC warned Marites to stay away from the genius in person, because accordingly, the genius might physically strike her. However, to the surprise, when the genius met Marites in person after the very hot discussion, the genius talked with Marites in a very casual manner like nothing happened. Here comes Maricar, one of the witnesses of that very hot discussion, said to the genius, "Wow! Congratulations for being so relaxed after your very hot discussion in the GC with Marites. I thought you were going to give her a lesson in person." The genius said, "What discussion in the GC is finished? I rest my case so that the point of going back to it. You know, in a discussion of an issue, there is always a pro and an anti. The persons who are pro give their opinions, and the anti give theirs. It's just like a battle of the brains. The ideas raised should not be taken against those who said it. It should not be taken personally." Then Maricar said to the genius, "Why is that you have many things to tell about an issue? You are knowledgeable of everything. What's your secret, by the way?" The genius casually said, "Agbasa kayo gamin ah." So that's the secret, my friend. In order to be a genius, read and reread in order to live like a genius. I hope we are all inspired by the story of the bachelor genius. You may know him already. You might not be inspired by his looks, but be inspired by his intellect and his love for reading. Develop also the love for reading. Who knows, you might have an intellectual discussion with this bachelor genius and you might be the conqueror of his heart. If this happens, then I will having another story next year. Let's all read to be a genius. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.